Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you when your character AI shows the error, you might need to wait a little bit. So what to do? So let's get started. So if you are using character AI for like hours and hours chatting with the bots, and if you are facing this error, so it's a common error. Okay, so to fix that, you can use their website because it happens many times. You can just go to their website, just right here for the character AI. So just go to Characterai beta. So from here you can just log in with your account, whichever account you have logged into the app, and from there you can like open this chat and you can log in with your account and chat from here. So by this way you can do it. And if you have any question related to this, you can let me know in my comment section. And if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.